In this video, we're going to talk about how to autofill formulas in Excel without dragging. Here we have opened a spreadsheet. We have some information about units sold, cost per item, and we need to find the total cost here. So what is total cost? Total cost is the multiplication of units sold and cost per item. So what we normally do, we specify a formula here and drag the mouse down. However, we don't do this type of thing here. Instead, we specify a formula here. Go to name box. We'll select the cell reference. So which cells we need to fill up? D3 to D14. So we write the cell references here. Press OK. Press enter. See, all the cells are highlighted. Now press Ctrl D. All the cells are formatted, filled, but we didn't drag. We have used another approach. That's it. Thank you for watching.